A great new feature in Clarity is the ability to use the call feature so you can collaborate with a voice call when you're in the canvas. And the way it works is from the canvas, you can click up here in the top right, you have start or join call. Now this feature is only available when you have 2 or more members working on the same canvas. And this is just a fast way to work together. So if I'm here and somebody else is also working, I can just click that and the call will initiate. It will ask me if I can use the microphone. I click allow, and now I have a few options. I can unmute myself or mute myself. I can click settings and I can select a different microphone than the one I'm currently using. And in addition, I can of course leave the call. So again, this allows you to collaborate. So as you are, adding sections or whatever it is you're working on, and you want to jump in and have a quick chat, and we can talk about it together. So it's a very nice feature to be able to collaborate much easier. I hope you enjoy that. I hope you enjoy using Claritee.